America is on the cusp of a new era in space operations. Soon we'll be able to repair, refuel, and renew next generation of satellites, allowing us to dramatically increase return on our commercial and national security investments. And all this is happening today, thanks to a little-known robotic revolution in space. Right now, all across the nation, members of industry, academia, and government are hard at work developing the robotic technology for America's shared infrastructure in space. Once fully realized, these robotic servicing providers will allow satellites that are critical to our nation's security and American way of life to be upgraded, repaired, repositioned, and refueled, extending their lives and usefulness, and making the American space enterprise more robust than ever before. And as this technology further evolves, it'll enable automated assembly of large-scale space structures and off-world manufacturing and construction, ushering in humanity's enduring, sustainable presence in space. It's all part of a suite of capabilities called ISAM, in-space servicing, assembly, and manufacturing.
It really opens up a whole new world of possibility.
It's a series of capabilities that can really completely change how we do the space missions.
Driven by the proven success of commercial servicing satellites and heavy investments from foreign nations, we stand at a crossroads in history.
It's critical that the U.S. continue to invest in ISAM.
It gives us the military advantage, gives us the technological advantage over our adversaries.
You know, other countries are making more investment currently than we are.
Some of these are countries that are allied or friendly with the United States, but some are not.
We're going to fall behind.
America will lose our leadership position in space if we fail to invest in this new emerging capability.
ISAM isn't just a concept, it's happening today. America's space infrastructure must be built to endure, to evolve, and to lead. Because America's sustainable future in space starts right